Hello Planet Mashers and welcome back to the channel. This is another unboxing and today we're looking inside Attribution Valentine's Day box, which is not their subscription box. So you can get this one separately. It's full of amazing goodies and I'm excited to share it with you. All the information about purchasing it will be in the description. And if you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity, stationery. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so I always know when I release a new video. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, so I haven't seen anything yet. Here's the box, my paper cutter, and let's get into it. This took some effort, but here's the box. Just to clarify that this is not a part of the subscription boxes. This is a special Valentine box, and you can see it's like an all red. So yeah, I can't wait. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so first things first, we got some more acrylic graph pens. And just to note that these details are in gold this time, so I kind of have a special feeling about this one. I also prepared my different colored paper from Archer and Olive notepads, so let's test these out. That's my mistake. I actually pushed on it. So yeah, a lot of ink got spilled. A good lesson for you guys. Never push on the pen unless it's a coloring palette. Okay, so there are 5 colors in this palette. Here they are. They look gorgeous on all types of paper, but I think my favorite would probably be black because it makes the colors stand out so much. And I don't know if you noticed, but this is not really mustard color. This is actually gold. So yeah, very exciting. And all these pens come with 0.7 tip, in case you're wondering. So yeah, I really like this color palette, especially the gold and probably the red are my 2 favorites just because of how beautiful and rich these colors are. But let's keep on looking. So we also have a little envelope, which is so cute. Actually, oh, okay. So actually we have several of these. We have 4 envelopes here, and there are 4 super cute Valentine's cards. By now you probably would have seen those on my Instagram feed, but these are really cute. And then there is here 2 from and some place to write some little text. I really like this idea. It's really sweet, and you know, you don't have to have a partner or boyfriend or a husband to actually write those. It can be just a random act of kindness to any important person in your life. So really love this idea. And I love how these colors kind of work very well with acrylic graph pens colors. I'm looking forward to filling these out. So another thing we have here are 2 sticker packs, and again they're in the same color scheme with the same like reds and teals and gold, so super pretty. And each sticker pack has 2 sticker sheets, and these are amazing. I'm honestly contemplating of just using those for my February setup. We shall see. I don't know yet what I'm doing for February, but these look amazing. And look at this gold foiling. Like how pretty are these? And of course, what we all have been waiting for the most, a journal. So I honestly really love the color coding that comes with this box, and just like this notebook box with its unique design, I honestly just feel like I want to do something really special with this one. It's just so pretty. So let's see, this is a A5 dot grid notebook with 160 GSM, 160 pages. So there is a little picture here already, but let's not concentrate on this and let's just open it up. Okay, let's give it a look. Ta-da! OMG, isn't this a beauty? So it's in this amazingly beautiful red color. Probably there is a special name for this one. I want to say like red coral maybe, but oh my God, it is so beautiful. You probably already know all the characteristics of Archery and Olive journal, but just in case, let's still take a look inside. So there is obviously a pen loop. It starts from "This book belongs to," and then yes, just go straight to 160 GSM dot grid pages. And we have 2 bookmarks with a super cute Archer and Olive charm in gold, because this box is kind of golden. So there is going to be one more thing included in this box. I got it in advance, so I couldn't get it all together. My other item is coming separately. I will link in the description what that is in case you want to give this box as a gift. So you want to know everything what's inside. But yeah, from Archer and Olive Point, these are the goodies you get, and oh my God, are they not amazing? If you guys want to get your box, I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and hope you get a chance to get this box because it's fantastic. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!